Hey guys, on today's video we're going to be updating Fortnite. So really what we have to do is just go into Fortnite and click on it. We should see an update coming up. So yes, that's the old season 2 right now that we were looking at. We should be looking at season 3 right now. So that means we should be running an update. So once we do that, we should just wait for this message to pop up. It's going to say 12 gigs. Go ahead and update it. And how long will this update take? Well, it does really depend on your internet speed. So if your internet speed's really fast, it should only be a couple minutes. If your internet's slow, then it should be a couple of hours. For some reason, when it came down to PlayStation, this was only a 7 gig update. And now that I see it right here on Xbox, it's 12 gigs. And today I am looking at another update that's coming out from Store Experience Host. That's okay, that's only a couple megabytes. I am gonna wait for that to do its thing before loading up Fortnite. So some of you might see this as well. Others might not see that, by the way. And finally, Fortnite's gonna update. So we're just gonna wait for it. If you're having any problems with the Fortnite update, which happens a lot for a lot of people, just restart your Xbox and then it's gonna keep going. Sometimes it gets stuck at a certain percentage. Go ahead and restart it. I do have a separate video telling you exactly that, how to fix updates. And that's basically what you do and what works for most people. There's other steps you can do if you're having a lot of problems with it, but make sure to check out that video if you're having any problems whatsoever with updates coming from your Xbox. Not just for this season 3 chapter 2 from Fortnite. Once it's finally done with the update, so after a few minutes, just go back and right here we're gonna see Fortnite. So let's just tap on Fortnite. And welcome to the new season right here on Fortnite. There's going to be a lot of changes that we see, and the surprise but not surprise was Aquaman. So after just a bit, we should see a loading bar right here, and we're just going to have to wait until it fully loads. And after that, we should see this. Fortnite, press A to start. So we're going to press A. It's going to check for updates. It's just a refresh that it has to do. It's going to log us in. Everything's pretty much gonna run like it was from before, except we should see a video introduction into the new season. So here we go, right now, Battle Royale. You can just press play. So we're gonna go ahead and press play. Once we do that, we should see this screen right here, and another loading screen. Again, all this is happening because of this video that we're gonna see right now.
Welcome to the waves, and to your very own Fortilla. Here you can unlock challenges and buy the battle pass to recruit this unsinkable crew of drifters. This little stowaway is Kit. Oh, they grow up so fast. I invited Aquaman. He said yes. So I said, can you wear a shirt? He said, no. Then there's Jules, master engineer, with her incredible creations. Explore the Fortilla to meet everyone in our crew. Plus, check out the Build Umbrella. With the Battle Pass, you can design your own. By the end of the season, it'll be uniquely yours. Throughout your adventure, there'll be new areas to explore, new ways to get around, and hot new surprises. Watch out! So, buy the Battle Pass and unlock your team of drifters. Start designing your custom umbrella, earn 1,500 V-Bucks, and more. So what are you waiting for, mate? Dive in!
So here we go, finally everything loaded up. You can go ahead and buy the battle pass if you like, or we're just gonna go back in this case. And right here again, we're gonna see what we could get in the battle pass. Just gonna go back and back into play. So you can go ahead and get ready to play squads or anything right here on the new chapter, new season 3 in Fortnite. Anyways, that's it for this video. If you guys have any questions, comments, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.